Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to boot into the Windows 11 safe mode with networking. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. We're going to start by right-clicking on the Windows Start button, and you're going to select Shutdown or Sign Out. Now hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, which is right underneath the caps lock and right above the Control key on your keyboard, and then select Restart. All right, choose an option, select Troubleshoot, reset your PC, or see Advanced Options, and then select Advanced Options. Select where it says Startup Settings, and then select Restart. All right, in order to boot into safe mode with networking, you're going to have to tap the F5 key on your keyboard. So again, the function 5 key should be near the top of your keyboard. Go ahead and tap that. And there you go, guys, simple as that. And once you're done in safe mode, you can just restart back into your normal Windows operating system by right-clicking on the Windows Start button again, select Shutdown or Sign Out, and then select Restart. And there you go, guys. Should have been simple as that. And hopefully that was able to resolve the problem. If you're having issues and you needed to get into safe mode networking, hopefully you were able to resolve them. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.